Okay, so everyone wants results, but few want the routine, and the routine and discipline is what keeps us going. And so it's not about perfection, it's basically about showing up every single day. And so there are three pillars of discipline. Let's look at them. Number one is preparation. So basically, showing up before the opportunity, being prepared before the time so that when the opportunity arises, you are ready for it. The second one is consistency, doing it when nobody's watching, no eyes on you, nobody to impress, no nothing, but basically constantly doing things when the doors are closed, when nobody is looking. And so the last one is control. So basically measuring or mastering your emotions under pressure. And pressure can come in all forms. Pressure comes in all shapes and sizes for everyone. And so it's how you deal with that. And Dustin Johnson, who was in the PGA, he did it, or he made it, because discipline gave him the control to make calculated moves.